Namaste children, once again we are back with a new session of our online class. Hope all are fine and keeping safe. Do you remember what we studied? 3 lessons we studied. मेहनत का धन, दांत का दर्द और बरखा आई. Did you understand these all lessons? Have you any doubts related to these lessons? We will revise these chapters once again. It's my kind request to parents. Please make sure that the child is answering the following questions. Shall we move to revision? We will revise these all chapters. Once again, we will see the question answers. Pura karo, fill the blanks, and how we can do these all, how the questions will be asked for the exam. Okay, let us see. First lesson, mehnat ka dhan. The question from this lesson will be asked like this way. Karo sada dash se kam. What will be the answer? We must do our work with dash. मेहनत hard work. करो सदा मेहनत से काम. Second one, लेकिन कभी न भूलो dash. We never forget about what? Work. लेकिन कभी न भूलो काम. Second lesson, दांत का दर्द. And the question will be asked this way. हमारे जंगल के dash दर्द से तड़प रहे हैं. And who is irritated with the pain, tooth pain? राजा, जंगल के राजा. इधर शेर डैश से बुरी तरह तड़प रहा था, दर्द से. And you must read these lesson very well, and the questions will be asked from these all paragraphs. So you must read this lesson at least 10 times. Otherwise, you can't answer this one word questions. The next one, बरखा आई. Next chapter, बरखा आई. पात पात पर dash आई. Path path means each and every leaf. What we could see that खुशियाँ, happiness. पात पात पर खुशियाँ आई. dash सुहानी है मन भाई. What we can see the pleasant mood and what is attracting our mind. मन को भाना, attracted our mind. ऋतु means बरखा ऋतु, the rainy season. ऋतु सुहानी, ऋतु is the answer there. सूखी dash जल भर लाई. सूखी नदियाँ. Now we will say first online assessment September 2020 model question. The questions will be asked this way. Questions ഈ തരത്തിലായിരിക്കും ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ പേപ്പർ സെറ്റ് ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ടാവുക. ദ ഫോർമാറ്റ് ഓഫ് ദ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ പേപ്പർ. ഫസ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ, ഉചിത് ശബ്ദ से पूरा करो. Fill in the blanks. You have to select one proper answer, correct answer from the bracket, and you have to fill the blank. Here I given one question. चंपू डैश का नाम था, बंदर और हाथी. Second question, अर्थ से मिलान करो. Match the words with the meanings. अर्थ से मिलान करो. मेहनत, कुकू, कोयल, hard work. These two wrong answers given there. You have to match it with the correct meaning. मेहनत, hard work, कोयल, कुकू. Third question, शब्दों को क्रम में लिखो. Arrange letters to make a meaningful word. La, ba, ta. If we arrange these all letters in a proper order, we will get talab. And these type of question will be there for the exam. The next one, fourth question, Uttar Likho. Write the answers. Whatever question answers we studied up to here, that all study very well. Write and study these all question answers, meanings, everything. Otherwise, you can't write the proper way. So, write and study these all answers. And wish you all the very best for your online assessments. Now we are going to conclude our today's online class with this. All the very best for your exam online assessment. We will meet in the next session of this online class with a new chapter. Okay. Till then, stay safe. Take care. Bye.